Hey, let's go! There is a big tiger. Let's go. I will tell about tiger later.
Tiger. 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 Tiger is the biggest cat in the world. Tiger is very strong, very powerful. Tiger is the national animal of India. Lion. 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 The lion is known as the king of jungle. With its powerful role, it rules the wild with pride and authority. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant.
Did you know that elephants find humans cute? Just like we coo over puppies or kittens, it turns out elephants look at us and think awe. Scientists have discovered that elephants are among the few animals capable of showing empathy, and they have complex emotions and social connections that might allow them to perceive humans in a way that's akin to finding us cute. Elephants have incredible memories and can distinguish between different human languages, gender, and whether an individual is a threat or not. Their brains are the largest of any land animal, not just big in size, but also in complexity, particularly in areas responsible for emotional processing. This emotional depth is why elephants might form strong bonds with humans, especially those they've been in close contact with, like caretakers or researchers. They're known to engage in playful behavior, gentle touching, and might even check up on their human friends. Behaviors that indicate a level of affection and perhaps even a sense of cuteness.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey is a very intelligent animal. It comes under the species of mammals. It eats fruits, seeds, vegetables, nuts, etc. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and long tail. It enjoys jumping from one branch of tree to another. It lives on tree and comes down on land for food. A group of monkeys is called a troop. There are many species of monkeys all over the world. People worship monkey as Hanuman. Monkey Day is celebrated every year on 14 December.
Leopard. Leopard. Leopard.
Ever wondered why leopards have those stylish spots? It's all about blending in. Those rosettes are like nature's camouflage, helping leopards hide in the dappled light of forests. Imagine trying to spot a leopard in the wild. It's like playing the hardest game of hide and seek ever. So, their fashion statement is all about survival. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more wild facts.
Deer. Deer. Deer.
Deer is a wild animal. It is commonly found in forests and grass. They eat grass, leaves, and small plants. It can run very fast. Deer is known for their intelligence.
WOLF. Wolf.
Wolves facts that will make them your favorite animal. Firstly, wolves rarely hunt humans. They spend their whole lives with a partner and don't mate with close relatives. Next, if a partner dies, a wolf may remain alone. They are among the few animals that help their parents after deep old age by bringing them food. Lastly, wolves can be difficult to train and staring down their killers until death.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
Did you know that the giraffe holds the record for the longest view? Stick around, I'll blow your mind. Giraffes have the largest heart of any land animal. It weighs a whopping 11 kilograms. That's how their blood reaches all the way up to their head. And did you know giraffes sleep only 5 to 30 minutes a day? Yep, they're power nap champions, always ready to escape predators. But the most amazing fact, their tongue is 50 centimeters long and purple. It helps them grab acacia leaves while protecting their tongue from the sun. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments and check out our other animal shorts.
Bears have an incredible sense of smell, which is thought to be 7 times better than that of a bloodhound. This helps them locate food over long distances. Generally, they can live up to 20 to 30 years, but this can be shorter in the wild due to factors like predation, food scarcity, or environmental hazards. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet varies depending on the species and the season. Some bears are more herbivorous, while others, like polar bears, primarily consume meat.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
The hippopotamus is the world's deadliest large land mammal, killing around 500 people annually in Africa. Their height is about 1.6 meters and their weight is about 3,200 kilograms. These creatures are known to be aggressive and territorial. They are mostly herbivores, but can be dangerous to humans if they feel threatened. They are great swimmers and can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes. With their eyes, ears, and nostrils on the top of the head, hippos can hear, see, and breathe while most of their body is underwater. They can even sleep underwater, using a reflex that allows them to bob up, take a breath, and sink back down without waking up. Yet despite all these adaptations for life in the water, hippos can't swim, and they can't even float. Their bodies are far too dense to float, so they move around by pushing off from the bottom of the river or simply walking along the river in a slow motion gallop.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla.
Here's an interesting fact about gorillas. Gorillas have remarkable strength, with some adult males capable of lifting up to 1,800 kilograms. Their immense power allows them to perform impressive displays of dominance and enables them to navigate their forest habitats with ease.
Five facts you didn't know about pandas. 1. Pandas munch on bamboo for up to 14 hours a day. 2. Baby pandas are born pink and almost hairless. 3. They have a special thumb-like bone to grip bamboo. 4. Pandas use scent to communicate with others. 5. They love somersaulting for fun and are often seen goofing around.
Rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino.
The mighty rhinoceros. Did you know they've been around for over 50 million years, outliving many of their prehistoric counterparts? Rhinos are often perceived as solitary creatures, but they do enjoy a good company, forming groups known as crashes. And their horn, it's not bone but compact hair, similar to the longest horn ever recorded measured 5 feet long. Despite their colossal size, rhinos can run up to 30 miles an hour. That's faster than Usain Bolt. Lastly, the white rhino isn't white. It's all a matter of mistranslation from an Afrikaans word meaning wild. Follow for more unique animal facts.
Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo.
Do you know that a kangaroo intentionally throws its child in front of a predator? But why? Actually, a mother kangaroo loves her child very much and can go to any extent for it. But when there is no other way left for her own survival, then she is forced to drop her child in front of the predator, so that the predator's attention is diverted towards the child and the mother runs away from there. Because the mother kangaroo believes that if her life is saved, she will give birth to another child. But remember, a child becomes bait only when the mother has no other way to survive.
Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile.
Are you ready to learn some fascinating facts about crocodiles? These impressive creatures are among the oldest animals on Earth, existing for around 75 billion years. Crocodiles can move perfectly in water and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. They are incredible hunters, using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to quickly catch their prey. Additionally, crocodiles can bask on the water's surface for long periods to protect themselves from the sun. Their sizes vary by species. Some can grow up to 10 feet long, while others can exceed 23 feet. Crocodiles have adapted to live both in water and on land, making them one of nature's most fearsome predators. If you love crocodiles, don't forget to type the crocodile in the comments.
Jackal. Jackal. Jackal.
Did you know? Jackals are fascinating creatures, superb survivors in the wild. There are 3 species, the golden side-striped and black-backed jackals. They're clever, opportunistic omnivores, munching on plants, bugs, and small animals. Jackals are monogamous, sticking with one partner for life. So romantic, right? They communicate by yelping or howling, quite the chatterboxes. They're mostly nocturnal, preferring the cover of night. Jackals, the wild's cunning survivors. Stay curious and keep exploring. See?
Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra.
Meet the zebra, one of most iconic animals. Zebras are known for their striking black and white stripes. But did you know that no 2 zebras have the same stripe pattern? Each zebra's stripes are unique, much like human fingerprints. Zebras are incredibly social animals and live in groups called herds. They rely on these herds for protection, social interaction, and finding food. Zebras are herbivores, spending a lot of their day grazing on grasses. They also need to drink water regularly, so you'll often find them near rivers and waterholes. Their unique stripes to their social behavior, zebras are truly fascinating creatures.
Kids, do you know how to spell chimpanzee? C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E. Chimpanzee.
Top 5 interesting facts about chimpanzees. First fact: chimpanzees are humans' closest living relatives, sharing about 99% of our DNA. Fact 2: chimpanzees use tools like rocks, sticks, and leaves for various tasks. Fact 3: chimpanzees have complex social structures and alliances. Fact 4: chimpanzees learn sign language and symbols to communicate. Fact 5: chimps display emotions.
Do you know how to spell polar bear? P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Polar bear. It's so beautiful animal.
Did you know that polar bears are the largest land carnivores? They are built to survive in the cold with thick fur and a layer of fat under their skin. Polar bears are amazing swimmers and can swim for miles to hunt for food. A baby polar bear is called a cub, and they stay with their mothers for about 2 years. They mostly eat seals, which they catch by waiting patiently near holes in the ice. What's your favorite wild animal?
Hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. Hyena.
I bet you didn't know hyenas are more than just giggle machines. Let's dive into some surprising facts. Hyenas are super smart. In fact, they're as clever as primates. These brainy beasts use teamwork to hunt and solve problems. And guess what? They're amazing moms too. Female hyenas lead their clans and take care of their young with fierce dedication. But here's a twist. Hyenas are more closely related to cats than dogs. Bet you didn't see that coming. And those laughs, they're actually a way to communicate. Each giggle has a different meaning. It's like hyena Morse code. So next time you see a hyena, remember they're not just jokers. They're the clever, caring, and complicated creatures of the wild.
Yak. Y-A-K, yak.
Hold on to your hats. We're diving into some yak-tastic facts. Did you know yaks are the original cold weather warriors? They can survive in temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than a snowman's nose. And those shaggy coats, not just a fashion statement. They keep yaks warm and toasty in the Himalayas. Here's a fun one. Yaks are natural lawnmowers. They'll munch on grass all day, keeping the fields neat and tidy. Plus, they're eco-friendly. Yak dung is used as fuel in many high-altitude villages. Talk about recycling. And guess what? Yaks can carry up to 220 pounds of gear.
Like my video. Thank you for watching.